What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Petey from Dogman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two long ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down, and back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down, and then back up. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for highlight. And it will fill the bottom of the eyes in black. From the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center and draw a small oval for the nose. Add a smaller oval on the top for a highlight. And then fill in the bottom in black. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the top of the mouth. Let's start over on the left. Goes down and up. Let's round up the side of the mouth and just pull that in towards the bottom. And I'll round out the bottom of the mouth, coming down and back up. Now I want to separate the teeth in the center with a straight line going across. Now in the middle, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to work our way over towards the left, drawing these lines coming all the way down towards this outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I want to fill that outside area of the mouth in black. Underneath each eye, we're going to add a fold, coming down and up. Let's go all the way up towards the center and draw in the eyebrow. Start with a point, angle this up and up towards the right, go up higher on the left side, and then straight out. Now I want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. So I'm going to round out the ends and just trace this back along the inside. And it'll fill the eyebrows in black. On the outside of the eyes, we're going to draw 3 spots. And then we'll line that up on the right. And now we're going to surround the face with a large circle. Let's start at the very top in the middle. I'm going to start with the left side. Go out, come around. Now I want to bend that in. I want to leave a gap in the center of the head. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Go all the way around. Coming down, and then in. Let's add 2 points across the top of the ears, starting on the left, going up, and then down, and then line that up on the right side. Now on the side of the head, we're going to add in the whiskers. Let's add 2 on the left, coming down and bending that up, step down, go out, and then down. Now on the right side, we're going to add 3, going out on the first one, bend the second one, and then the third one. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head. Let's bend this out, and then down. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's round up the hips, go across, and then up towards the right. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side. We're going to bend this out, and then down towards the heel, move over towards the right, do the same thing. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet. So we start by curving this down and up from the heel. Let's round out the foot, come up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now let's go back up to the body. We're going to taper the legs so it gets wider as we come down, and we'll bend that out on top of the feet. Along the bottom, let's add 2 curves to separate the toes. Now, we're going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then down, just lining up the bottom edge of the body towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down, bend the finger going up around that bracket. Now we're going to step down and add the second finger. We're going to go out and bend that up. Let's add the third finger going around and then in towards the wrist. And then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the outside of the arm. I'm going to taper it so it gets narrower as it comes up. And we'll bend that in underneath the head. Now from the bottom left side of the body, we're going to draw on the tail. Let's start with the outside. We're going to come down in behind the thumb, continue down. Now I want to bend this up, going up and then out, and then bending that down towards the tip. Now let's trace this on the bottom. So we're just going to round out the tail, and then just follow those curves coming back in underneath the hand and towards the body. Now once we finish drawing out our contours, let's add in those stripes. We're going to start from the very top, bend this down and then up. And we're going to work our way down the body, just adding those same curves going across from left to right. Let's do the same thing across the arms, just bending this across from the outside to the inside, coming down towards the wrist. Now let's work our way down the legs. And we'll add the stripes across the tail with these straight lines coming in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Petey from Dogman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.